How to change your Amazon Prime password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change the password for your Amazon Prime account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to simply make sure you have actually downloaded and installed the Prime Video application to your device. If not, then you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in Amazon Prime and go ahead and simply either download or update the Amazon Prime app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated the app, you can simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, you can basically see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. You'll be able to see a bunch of different shows, movies, and so on. So what you would actually have to do is, from the bottom right hand side, first of all, simply tap on the My Stuff icon which you see. As you tap on My Stuff, you'll be taken to this page, and what you want to do is on the top right, you'll be able to see this gear icon which is a settings icon. So you have to basically go ahead and tap on the settings icon. As you tap on settings, on this option at the bottom, you'll find another option which says Manage Account. So go ahead and simply tap on the button which says Manage Account. As you tap on Manage Account, you'll be able to see an interface which looks like this. At the top, you have the option called Your Details. Change your name, email, mobile number, password, and more. So this is the place where we want to go. So tap on Edit on Amazon button. As you tap on the Edit on Amazon button, you'll be able to see this page. And if you want to change the password, right at the bottom next to password, you have to tap on this edit icon. So tap on the edit button, and as you tap on edit, right here it says us to change the password for your Amazon account. Use this form. So go ahead and choose your current password, enter your new password, and re-enter your new password which you want to use. So let me just go ahead and do that as well. Once you've actually entered your password, what you could do is simply tap on this option which says Save Changes. So go ahead and tap on Save Changes and also save the changes, and you can see you have successfully modified your account. And this is how you can change the password for your Amazon Prime account. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.